Have you ever wondered how one machine can make a road appear so fast? This machine looks simple from the outside, but inside, it is a carefully designed piece of engineering. The process starts when hot asphalt arrives and feeds directly into the machine. The machine spreads the asphalt evenly, creating a smooth surface layer that becomes the road we drive on. After the asphalt is placed, powerful rollers compress it and turn it into a strong, long-lasting road. Hidden inside this machine are systems that control speed, accuracy, and the quality of every road it builds. A faster and smoother road does not just save time. It connects people and keeps everyday life moving. From a pile of raw material to the road beneath our wheels, this is the engineering behind the highways we use every day.